Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the chart of DXY. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then you can see that as per our expectation, market US dollar has taken support at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement and right now trying to go up. So we can see the market is trying to take a temporary support here. So overall we can see that the bullishness in US dollar is still present. So therefore be very careful with the GBP USD and Euro USD trade, because in general we see a correlation with US dollar. When dollar goes up, we see GBP USD going down. Okay, things are not going very well. The relation is not going very well for the last couple of days, but yes, we cannot deny that in case there is a sudden big green candle on DXY, then obviously there will be some effect on the chart of GBP USD. So be careful. US dollar is still bullish. And this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD. Then previously we had a trend line here which was acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. But when market was here, I told you, if you remember, that not to short the market, because we found that market was taking serious support. Yes, it was taking a serious support at this particular level here, and you can see as again, as per our expectation, market broke the resistance and it started going up. We took a buy also, made some money also, and right now market is going up. So this trend line is no longer valid. So what is our trading opportunity here? Then see, apart from this trend line which is also acting as a dynamic support, I do not see any other proper logic or any other trading opportunity to be seen here. Because if I take you to the 1-hour chart, you can see that market is trying to go up, market is trying to recover, and this trend line is kind of acting as a support for the market. But let me be very clear, you can also understand that we had a huge selling on GBP USD, and you can clearly see that there is not much buying power. In short, if you are taking a buy position, always there is a risk, because overall the trend of GBP USD is very bearish. So if GBP USD comes down to the trend line and bounces, yes, listen to me carefully, if GBP USD comes to the trend line and bounces, you can take a buy position, but please follow strict risk management and your stop loss should be below this level, because you try to understand the market psychology here. Do you see good buying power? No, it's a big no. But right now there is also not, we do not have any selling opportunity as well, because we do not have any proper resistance. So therefore, for this Friday 19th November, this is the only trading opportunity. If market comes to the trend line and bounces, go for buy. If it breaks the trend line and goes down, avoid GBP USD for Friday. I'll be coming down tomorrow and I'll tell you what should be your next strategy for GBP USD. And this is my pro trader program. If you want better trading opportunities in the market, okay, I also provide signals, also 1 or 2 signals every day. So this is it. You can check out the pro trader program on my website. What is this? Learn, trade, earn. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.